Today we'll be doing a short video on swapping out the fuel water separator on a Mercruiser 4.3. Specifically, mine is a 1996 Mercruiser 4.3. I purchased this fuel water separator on Amazon for around 17 bucks. I've also got some gloves and an oil filter removal tool in case it's on there too tight. Let's get started. I've got the engine cover removed, and so I'm going to show you guys exactly where this is. So down on this side, you can see it right there, and there's the new one. And so on mine, the part number is labeled on the inside here, and so I was able to get my camera in there and take a picture to get the exact part number. All right, before I get started with removing the old filter, I'm gonna go over the instructions that are on the box. The instructions are to first remove the old filter and make sure you remove the old gasket with that filter if it's stuck to the underside. The second step is to apply a thin coat of engine oil to the filter gasket of the new filter. The third step is to fill the new filter with new gas, and the fourth step is to screw the new filter in until the gasket makes contact, and then you do another 2/3 to 1 turn just to get it fully seated in there, but not too tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that now. I have some towels down in here in the bilge just in case I spill a little bit of gas, which I'm sure I will, so I'll get that started. Okay, so my filter is on there really tight. I can't get it off by using just my hands. I'm not sure how long it's been since it was swapped out. Hasn't been changed since I purchased the boat. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my oil filter tool and see if I can get it out. All right guys, so I've got it loosened up. As you can see, I did a little bit of damage here using the tool. The filter actually comes off clockwise on mine. Looking from the top down, it spins clockwise when you're getting it out of here. So I'll go ahead and finish that. All right, so here it is. I've gotten it off. And as you can see, the gasket's still on top here, so I don't need to worry about that. I'll set that aside for now. So here I have the new one, and the first step I'm gonna take is to fill it up with gas to the same level that this one was, which is almost to the top there. Okay, now I've got that filled. I would say definitely make sure you use a towel underneath, because I did make a little bit of a mess. Or better yet, do this elsewhere, somewhere where you're not gonna be getting gas inside your boat. So the next step is to apply a thin coat of engine oil to the filter gasket. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now with this engine oil that I used to change my oil just a couple months ago. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and get this one installed in here. And this one will be twisted counterclockwise. And you wanna be careful when doing this to be sure not to get anything cross-threaded. I had to reseat it a couple times just to make sure that it was going on there nice and smooth. And I'll also make sure to make this one a lot less tight. Okay, so I felt the contact right there. You can feel it start to grab. And I'm gonna do about 2/3 of a spin from here. And I will use the tool to just go a little bit further. Okay, I've got the fuel water separator on there nice and snug. And so what I'll be doing now off camera is pulling the boat out and starting it up and just making sure there's no gas leaking out or anything. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I've got some other how-to boat videos on there as well as some other stuff